Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how we can make a professional educational video with simple instruments or simple something you can use with this one. You see what we use. The first one is this is what we call it as this is the scissor arm. You can see this is the scissor arm. We can fix it to one end of a table or desk, right, and fix it the mobile here. And here you can see there are one is board, one is paper, pen, and this is the microphone. We can use this microphone by joining it with the mobile with Bluetooth, right. After that we make a professional educational video. You see here this page is reflected here, and we record this video with the help of open camera. Later on I will show you how to use the open camera for recording, right. You see in this way, and what are the basic needs we need to find this type of to make this type of professional educational video. First one what I need is a mobile, number 2 is scissor, number 3 board, number 4 white paper, number 5 pen, and microphone. In microphone here we use Rockwell Z450. You see this is the Rockwell Z450. You use it with the you use it with the Bluetooth, and you can join it, right. In this way these are the various features we can use, and you see how we can record the classes. In this way you have to fix this scissor in a table or bench, and you can put the what are the basic things. This is the board, this is the paper, this is the speaker, this is the pen, this is the mobile, and in this way you can make a very professional educational video. And what are the basic needs I already told you, and what are the cost time that I am going to tell you. You see the mobile, you have mobile with you, and the cost of scissor is 600 to 1500, and the cost of board is rupees 25. The cost of white paper is rupees 1, and pen is rupees 5, and microphone Rockwell Z450 is rupees 1000. That is within rupees 1600 you can begin a YouTube channel very easily. And in this method, this is one of the best method to start a YouTube channel. And you see here this visibility is also good, and sound is also very clear with this type of in this method of making educational video. So friends, you have to buy only scissor, that is rupees 600 to 1500. The minimum is rupees 600. You have to buy a board, and that is the rupees 25, and white paper it needs only rupees 1, and pen is rupees 5, and microphone is rupees 130. That means with rupees 1600 you can begin an YouTube channel, and this is one of the most effective way of making YouTube channel. You know, the most of the YouTubers use this method, and they monetize and they earn money from this type of video. So you have to only spend rupees 1600, and you can monetize your educational video in this way. Why? Because this is one of the best method to make a professional educational video, right. What we do, this is the speaker, or you can use also Boya microphone to use. You see here what I am using, this is the Boya microphone. You can see here this is the Boya microphone. Here you can see this is the Boya microphone you can use, or you can use the Rockwell Z. Both are very good to record the sound. So this is one of the best method to make a professional educational video. You see this is the method, and with not only that you can monetize your YouTube videos. Not only that, you can do, you can take online class with the help of this mobile, scissor, pen and paper and board. And with you know that in online teaching you can earn up to rupees 1000 per hour. So if you get one student, then you are getting 1000 per hour the money. And the both way you can start a YouTube channel, as well as you can take tuitions, online tuitions. This is one of the best method to take online tuitions. If you want to know how to take online tuitions, then I'm going to take another. I will tell you how to take online classes and earn rupees 1000 per hour. What we take online classes and we earn rupees 1000 per hour. And I will tell you how to teach online classes. This is the method to take online classes, and you see the visibility is also good and sound is also clear. You have three things you need. One is sound should be clear and crisp, and visibility should be clear also. And lighting we are using this lighting as tube light, you can see here.